To start, I have a sketch that I had already made of a poppy. I have taken that sketch and made a negative of it. So wherever it is white here, it is dark here. We are going to be making a cyanotype print, and we are making our own negative with scratch art. I'm going to need two tools. To start out with, we're just going to use a regular old ballpoint pen. I have the scratch art material underneath a photocopy that I made of my drawing, and it's sitting on a magazine so that it will be softer underneath it. All you're going to do is simply outline your entire image, and I'm only going to do the important lines, not the entire drawing, not every single line. So you're going to do that for the whole thing, and you're going to use moderate pressure. Then when you take it off, and I've already done the rest of it. When you take it off, I have the basis for my drawing. It's a good idea to keep your original drawing and your negative drawing next to you while you're working, just for reference. And you also, since we're working on a clear backed scratch material, we want something white under it so that we can see where we're scratching.